Right, so this video just basically shows you where to top up, your screen wash liquid in your Audi A6. So at the top right section, underneath your hood, in your car, that's where you should be topping up, your screen wash. Um, and that's the symbol on the blue cover. So I flip that open. You can use the aid of a funnel. The net or the filter that's in here is pretty much gone. But the idea is you can use a funnel, or if you're very skillful with the hands, you could just improvise and help yourself. I pretty much do this just with one hand, and it takes a fairly decent amount, and as soon as you're done, you know you can shut the cover. And when you've got a considerable amount, of volume in the vessel or the container, it should start to rise up to the surface. Right. So if you found the information useful in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you soon, as soon as I've got more upcoming videos. Goodbye. See you later. Bye. Bye.